In this week's court report, key police testimony was heard this morning in the case of a suspect accused of leading police on a 100-mile-an-hour chase throughout town. Charges in Aaron Scott Taylor's case were discussed by one of his arresting officers who was called in as a witness. The deputy sheriff's testimony supported allegations against Taylor, stating that the suspect led police on a dangerous chase after they initially attempted to pull him over on Bell Vista near Simpkins. Police were finally able to pull Taylor over on a felony stop with officers' weapons drawn. That's when police discovered the suspect is wanted on multiple felony warrants out of Colorado that are extraditable. Based on today's testimony, a decision was made to bind Taylor's case over to district court to face charges including felony eluding, no insurance, and possession of less than 1 ounce of marijuana. Taylor remains in custody at NCDC with this case scheduled for July 22nd. The man accused of shooting and injuring 2 people at a local wedding reception had his formal arraignment set for Monday. During those scheduled proceedings, Angel Marez Salcedo waived his right to an arraignment, and it was decided that his bail would remain the same at $717,500. Marez Salcedo was arrested after allegedly shooting one person in the head and another in the foot while they attended the festivities on Effinger Street. The 49-year-old suspect is facing charges including attempted murder, battery with a deadly weapon, and child abuse or neglect and mayhem. His preliminary hearing is set for May 26th. The local man who made a guilty plea agreement to 1 count of lewdness with a child under 14 years of age was sentenced in court on Monday. Joerger was sentenced to 60 to 150 months in the Nevada Department of Corrections with credit for time served. Stipulations were also noted that Joerger will be on lifetime supervision and that he must register as a sex offender. The 79-year-old reportedly admitted to police that he molested a 5-year-old child after he was arrested. Also on Monday, one of the 2 suspects arrested in connection to a non-fatal shooting at the Pahrump Nugget had his arraignment hearing. Lee Anthony Daniels pleaded guilty to 1 felony count of battery with use of a deadly weapon. Daniels and Desiree Lewis were arrested after Daniels allegedly shot a woman in the leg while she was inside a cafe in the Nugget. Both suspects reportedly fled the scene but were later found in Las Vegas. Lewis is charged with attempted accessory to battery with a deadly weapon. She remains in custody with her sentencing hearing set for June 13th. Daniels also remains in custody with his sentencing scheduled on August 1st. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.